Looking for calming sounds and effortless music? These steel tongue drums turn relaxation into melody. First, HOPWELL steel tongue drum handpan, $89.99. This 11-note Seiki steel tongue drum produces soothing, harmonious tones that are perfect for meditation and relaxation. Easy to play with mallets or fingers, it's beginner-friendly while still offering rich sound depth. Ideal for stress relief, yoga sessions, or musical exploration at home. Second, steel tongue drum instrument, $79.99. Designed with 8 perfectly tuned notes, this drum is excellent for meditation and mindfulness practice. The sound is warm, balanced, and relaxing, making it great for beginners or therapeutic use. Compact and durable, it's an affordable way to introduce calming music into your daily routine. Third, waterproof outdoor meditation drum, $99.99. Built for outdoor use, this waterproof steel tongue drum lets you play music in gardens, parks, or beach settings. The tones remain clean and soothing even in open environments. Perfect for outdoor meditation, sound therapy, or nature-inspired performances without worrying about weather damage. Fourth, HOPWELL steel tongue drum Malachite, $94.99. This visually striking malachite finished drum features 11 notes that create a full, melodic range. Its sound is deep, relaxing, and emotionally uplifting. A great blend of aesthetics and musical quality. It's perfect for gifting or personal meditation practice. Fifth, Lronbird educational steel tongue drum, $69.99. An 8-note drum designed for learning and entertainment, making it ideal for kids and beginners. It encourages rhythm, creativity, and focus while producing pleasant sounds even with simple play. Lightweight and durable, it's a great educational instrument for classrooms or family use.